Hello everyone. Today's question is possible bipartition. Given a set of n people numbered 1 to up to n, we would like to split everyone into groups of any size. Each person may dislike some other people and they shouldn't go into the same group. Formally, if dislikes I equals to a comma b, it means it is not allowed to put the people numbered A and B into the same group. Return true if and only if it is possible to split everyone into two groups in this way. So now we'll move to pen and paper. Now we will understand this question using this given example. So first, in according to our question statement, each person may dislike some other person and they shouldn't go into same group. So one dislike two, one and two dislike one, and they shouldn't go into same group. So we will create two different group, one for one and another for two. So we add 1 and 2 in different group and check next value. 1 dislike 3 and 3 dislike 1. So we add 3 with 2 and now we check different element, that is 2 dislike 4 and 4 dislike 2. So we cannot add 4 with 3 because 4 dislike 2 and 4 or 2 cannot into a same group. So now we are able to split everyone in two separate group. So now we will return true as our answer. I hope you understood these questions, and now we will move to the solution part. Now we will solve this problem using graph coloring algorithm. You can solve this problem using BFS or DFS. Here I will solve this problem using BFS approach. First I will take a dictionary and add one's dislike person. So once dislike person is 2 and 3, I will add 2 and 3 into dictionary and again check 2's dislike person. 2's dislike person is 4 and 1. So now 3's dislike person 1 and 4 dislike person 2. So now we will as you can see, we will use graph coloring algorithm. So we have to add two code for different color. So as you can see, red and blue color is represent some different groups. So we will take our color list. So initially we mark it as a -1 because first we were unvisited this dictionary, and now we check. We take our n is 4, so we'll take n plus 1 color list. So now we'll start our iteration from 1 index and we check our 1 index value is -1. We check our 1 index value is -1. Yes, our 1 index value is -1. So if this is not visited, means this is -1. So we will make it, we'll set the value, because now we iterate through -1 index value. So we change the value -1 to 0, because now we are going to visit this index. And now we take a queue and inside this queue we assign this index, and now we check our queue is empty or not. We take a while loop and inside this while loop we check our queue is empty or not. So we assign the queue pop value in node, and we check our color node is equals to dix node value, sorry, dix j. We will iterate this dictionary because in this dictionary value is 2. There is more than one value, so we will iterate this value. First we will take 2, so we will take 2 index value is equals to colors 1 index value. No, this is not equal, cause 1 dislike 2. If it is equal, then we will return false, cause in same group they cannot dislike each other. So here this is not equal. So now we check. So index 2's value is -1. Yes, 2's value is -1. So we will perform a XOR operation. And 0 XOR 1 means 1. We'll mark it as 1 and update the color index, color to index, and again check 3, and as you can see index 3 and index 1 value is not equal, cause 1 dislike 3 also. So we'll check, we check 1 value is minus 3, index 3 value is minus 1, so we'll update the value 1. As you can see 2 or 3 color is same, cause 2 is 1 and 3 is also 1. In same way we'll iterate whole the dictionary and whole the color, and then we will at the end of this operation our color index value will be 0 1 1 0, cause as you can see 1 and 4 index value is 0 0, cause they belongs in same group, and 2 3 index value is same, cause they belong in same group. So we are able to split everyone into different group. Now we will return true as our answer. If it is not clear to you, no need to take worry. Please watch this implementation. I will explain each and every line to you. I hope then you will definitely understood it. So first I will take Python default dictionary to store the person as a key and their dislike person as value. So first you will iterate the dislike list, add I as a key, graph I means person, graph I person as a key, and append j as value. And again for j, cause one, if one dislike 2 and 2 also dislike 1, so we add j dot append I. Okay, now I will take a color list. Initially I put -1 into it to check it was visited or not. So now I will iterate this color list from 1 to n plus 1, and if color I equals to -1 means if it was not visited, then we will mark it as 0, and inside this queue we put this index, and while our queue is not null, then we will pop the queue value and add it, assign it in node, and check, iterate the dictionary graph node, iterate the dictionary, and then check if color j equals to color node. If it is equal means if one person dislike each other and belongs in same group, then it will return false. If a color equals to -1, then we will update this index. Here we perform XOR operation, and now we will append the dictionary value in our queue, and at the end we will return true as our answer. So I hope you understood this. Now we will run. Okay, this is nodes. Okay, now I will run and submit it. Check it is working or not. Yeah, running successfully, and submit. Yeah, got accepted. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please comment below. I will help you as soon as possible. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.